So we just picked up this new mystery boat, or new to me, mystery boat. It's keel drive. It has a diesel engine. It has a little cuddy cabin. I haven't measured it yet, but it's somewhere between 23 feet and 25 feet supposedly. It could be bigger than that. I doubt it though. Haven't done really anything with it yet, except for just moved it over here. Take a look inside. It's got an old Ford, I think it's an XLD is what they call this engine. I believe it's made in England. What I could read online when I first looked at it. Cabin here, just enough room for a couple of people to sleep. Got our helm here. Gauges.